Hello, vintage outboard boat fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm making a fishing video today. It's Christmas week. It's 12/17/2021. I'm out here at Toledo Lake at my fishing camp. It's a Friday. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. It gets dark at about 5:30. And I found the fish here, some bait fish. I'm fishing in about 15 foot of water. Bait fish everywhere. All around me, I can see on my graph. I'll show you shots of that. This is what bait fish looks like. This is what you're looking for when you go out fishing. And I'm just trolling around with some sexy shad, 5XHs, 5 sexy shad crankbaits. There's one, got a bite, had a hit, didn't take it. So I'm going to shoot some video of me catching some fish here. Hope y'all enjoying y'all Christmas holidays. I know I am. I can't wait to get back to my shop. And me and Matthew start working on some more motors. Got a fish on the line as we're talking. Watch this. Pretty good one too. Not too big, probably a pound, about 12, 13 inches. The limit is 8. I'm gonna catch my limit here in a minute here and go in. It's good to be alive in 2021. Get on the lake and do some fishing. You can't catch the COVID, you can't get smashed and grabbed by robbers. It's all good out on the water. Everybody's ready. Here we go. Okay, got another one. It's coming up to the top. Got all kind of bait fish on the screen. GoPro, zoom in. There he is. That's a pretty good one. Decent fish. They just won't stop biting. They're not huge fish, they're about a pound. Biggest one I probably caught is 2 pounds, but they're better eating than the largemouth, so that's all I'm going for is a good limit of eaters. go back and get some more. Well, I finally caught me a decent fish, a largemouth. See the difference in the scales? Scales are a lighter color. She's about 2.5. Not a bad fish. We'll let this one go. Right, so I've limited out on my Kentuckys. Total limit is 8. I would say they probably average a pound, a little over a pound. Nice eating fish. And the sun's about to go down, so I'm gonna head in now. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See you next time. Woohoo! Alright, so sun's about to go down now. I've caught my 8. I probably caught 20 altogether. I threw back the largemouths and called till I got me a nice catch of 8 fish. So it's been a great trip. I really enjoyed it. Life is good on Toledo Bend Lake. So I'm gonna take her home now, cruising, and hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're catching them one fish at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.